In a move that has stirred both curiosity and skepticism in the tech world, AI startup Perplexity has announced a $34.5 billion takeover over Google's Chrome browser. The proposal made directly to Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google's parent company, Alphabet, is pitched as a step towards protecting user safety, promoting choice, and preserving open web. Perplexity has assured that if the deal was successful, Google Search would remain the default search engine on Chrome, though users could change it, and that it would continue supporting Chromium, the open source foundation behind Chrome and other browsers like Microsoft Edge. At first glance, the bid appears audacious. Chrome is the world's most widely used browser, boasting over 3 billion users. Analysts point out that the offer dramatically undervalues the asset. Some estimates suggest Chrome could be worth 10 times more than the proposed price. More importantly, there is no indication that Google is considering selling. The company has already described the notion of spinning off Chrome as an unprecedented proposal that could undermine consumer security and trust. The timing of the bid, however, is intriguing. Google is currently embroiled in 2 major antitrust cases in United States, facing allegations of abusing its dominance in search and online advertising. A ruling expected this month could, in theory, force structural changes within Google, although the company has signaled that it would appeal any unfavorable decision. Perplexity's approach may be an attempt to leverage the moment of legal vulnerability to the position itself as an alternative of a key internet gateway. Perplexity's ambition is not new. Just last month, the company launched its AI-powered browser, Comet, and earlier this year, it made headlines with an offer to purchase TikTok's US operations. The $34.5 billion all-cash offer for Chrome nearly double Perplexity's own estimated valuation that comes with a commitment to invest $3 billion in Chrome's infrastructure to maintain Chromium as open source. The companies claim to have secured financing from multiple investment funds, though none of them have been publicly disclosed. Critics note that some industry voices value Chrome closer to $50 billion, casting doubt on whether Google would even entertain the offer. If such a sale were to be considered, it would face intense regulatory scrutiny in both US and Europe, where competition watchdogs are increasingly concerned about the market. Chrome's ownership determines not only its feature development but also its integration with advertising ecosystem, privacy control, and default search, areas already under investigation by antitrust regulators. The outcome of Google's ongoing legal battle could set a precedent for whether such a sell-off is even possible and whether smaller AI firms like Perplexity can realistically challenge entrenched tech giants. Regardless of the outcome, the offer underscores the shifting of dynamics of the tech industry. As AI companies challenge established players like Google itself, questions of who controls the gateways through which billions access internet are becoming increasingly urgent. Whether the bid is a genuine attempt to reshape the web or calculated publicity maneuver, it highlights the growing interplay between artificial intelligence, antitrust pressures, and the future of digital ecosystem. Follow us for more updates from the tech world. This is Nidhi for the Asian Chronicle.